Hello, incredible viewers. Prepare to be utterly stunned and gripped with disbelief because, as a brain doctor, I'm absolutely shocked to uncover a hidden, insidious danger lurking right in the heart of your very own home. If you're over 60, 70, or even soaring magnificently past 80, this is a critical, life-altering moment to protect your precious mind, safeguard your vibrant vitality, and reclaim the mental clarity you deserve. I've spent decades marveling at the incredible resilience, adaptability, and sheer wonder of the human brain, witnessing its remarkable ability to heal, grow, and thrive even in the golden later chapters of life with grace and strength. Yet, I've also stumbled upon a silent, insidious threat that leaves me speechless and deeply concerned. 10 everyday household items that are quietly, relentlessly poisoning your brain without you even suspecting a single thing. These aren't exotic chemicals from far-off places or rare pollutants. They're the familiar, trusted objects you touch with your hands, breathe in with every breath, cook within your kitchen, and live alongside every single day, stealthily eroding your memory, dulling your focus, sapping your overall well-being, and casting a shadow over your most cherished moments with loved ones. Aging should be a radiant, dynamic, and fulfilling chapter filled with wisdom, joy, love, laughter, and endless possibilities, not a slow, unnoticed decline shadowed by hidden harm that you have the power to prevent right now. Whether you're a senior determined to safeguard your cognitive health, sharpen your mind, and reclaim your mental sharpness with unwavering resolve, a devoted and compassionate caregiver seeking answers to support a loved one with tireless care and dedication, or simply someone inspired to thrive with passion, strength, and an open, hopeful heart, this video is your urgent wake-up call, your empowering guide, and your first step toward a brighter future. We'll peel back the layers of this shocking truth with cutting-edge scientific insights to arm you with knowledge and confidence, share uplifting real-life stories of recovery, resilience, and triumph to ignite your motivation and spark your spirit, and provide a treasure trove of practical, actionable steps to detoxify your living space, protect your brain, and embrace a healthier tomorrow. So, grab a refreshing glass of water to nourish your body and keep your mind alert, or a soothing cup of herbal tea to calm your soul and set the mood. Find a cozy and comfortable spot to settle into, and let's embark on this eye-opening, soul-stirring, and transformative journey together because every small, intentional, and courageous step you take today has the incredible, life-changing power to unlock decades of mental clarity, boundless joy, deep connection, and fulfillment that will resonate through your life, touch those around you, and leave a legacy of health and happiness. Are you ready to be amazed, empowered, and ready to act with determination and hope? Let's dive in with open hearts, curious minds, and a shared commitment to safeguarding your brain's brilliance and securing your future. We'll peel back the layers of this shocking truth with cutting-edge scientific insights to arm you with knowledge and confidence, share uplifting real-life stories of recovery, resilience, and triumph to ignite your motivation and spark your spirit, and provide a treasure trove of practical, actionable steps to detoxify your living space, protect your brain, and embrace a healthier tomorrow. So, grab a refreshing glass of water to nourish your body and keep your mind alert, or a soothing cup of herbal tea to calm your soul and set the mood. Find a cozy and comfortable spot to settle into, and let's embark on this eye-opening, soul-stirring, and transformative journey together because every small, intentional, and courageous step you take today has the incredible, life-changing power to unlock decades of mental clarity, boundless joy, deep connection, and fulfillment that will resonate through your life, touch those around you, and leave a legacy of health and happiness. Are you ready to be amazed, empowered, and ready to act with determination and hope? Let's dive in with open hearts, curious minds, and a shared commitment to safeguarding your brain's brilliance and securing your future. 3. Old paint. I'm utterly stunned and deeply troubled to find peeling, faded paint in older homes releasing LEDA, notorious, insidious neurotoxin that's been lurking for decades, waiting to harm you. This silent poison, even in the tiniest amounts, doubles your stroke risk according to Lancet and gradually clouds your thinking, memory, and ability to enjoy life to the fullest. Many homes built before the 1970s contain lead paint, and it's shocking how it continues to affect seniors who are completely unaware of the danger in their own walls. Test your walls with a lead detection kit and repaint with lead-free, eco-friendly, low-VOC paint to safeguard your brain and create a safer haven. Robert, an energetic and proactive 80-year-old, discovered lead lurking in his home after experiencing troubling memory lapses. He teamed up with family to renovate with safe paint and saw his hand tremors lessen and his confidence return within a year. When will you take charge and check your paint? Share your action plan below to stay motivated and accountable. 4. Plastic food containers. Microwaving food in plastic containers is a habit that leaves me shocked at its widespread use and the grave danger it poses to your brain health. These convenient containers can leach bisphenol, a BPA, and other endocrine-disrupting chemicals into your food, with Journal of Alzheimer's Disease linking BPA exposure to a 10% drop in memory performance and cognitive function over time. It's unbelievable and disheartening how routine this practice has become in so many households. Switch to durable, brain-safe options like glass or stainless steel containers for heating and storage to eliminate this risk. Sarah, a radiant and determined 68-year-old, replaced her plastic containers after reading about this shocking discovery. She noticed her recall improving, her confidence growing, and now enjoys worrying free, delicious meals with her loved ones. What will you use instead of plastic? Share your switch below and join the movement for a healthier kitchen. 5. Mothballs. Those little white balls tucked away in your closet or storage bins might keep moths at bay, but I'm shocked and dismayed to learn they're harming your brain in a way you'd never expect. Mothballs release naphthalene, a potent chemical that damages brain cells, causes confusion, and disrupts your mental clarity, as noted in Detox. It's a hidden threat that's been overlooked for too long. Replace them with natural, gentle alternatives like cedar blocks, lavender sachets, or airtight containers. Tom, a cheerful and optimistic 71-year-old, swapped out mothballs after feeling disoriented and foggy. He was delighted and relieved as his mental clarity returned, and his clothes stayed fresh, ready to make this simple change. Share your alternative below, and let's protect your mind together. 6. Cleaning sprays. The ammonia and bleach in your favorite all-purpose cleaning sprays are a shock to me. They inflame your brain, raise anxiety levels by 18% according to environmental research, and create a toxic environment you breathe every day. It's hard to believe these common, trusted products could be so risky to your cognitive and emotional well-being. Switch to gentler, safer options like white vinegar, baking soda, or plant-based cleaners that clean effectively without the harm. Maria, a lively and resourceful 79-year-old, traded her harsh sprays for a vinegar solution. Her mood lifted, her home sparkled, and she felt a renewed sense of peace. What cleaner will you try to transform your cleaning routine? Tell me below, and let's create a healthier home. 7. Scented candles. Scented candles might create a cozy, heartwarming ambience in your living room, but I'm shocked to find they release toluene from paraffin wax, linked to a 12% decline in focus and concentration per Science Daily. It's astonishing and troubling that such a beloved item could quietly undermine your brain health. Opt for safer, natural choices like beeswax or soy candles with no added synthetic fragrances to light up your space without the risk. Ellen, a spirited and proactive 69-year-old, switched after noticing distraction during her favorite hobby. She found her attention growing stronger, and her evenings became more enjoyable. Share your candle choice below, and let's illuminate our home safely. 8. Tap water with lead pipes. I'm alarmed and deeply concerned to discover that tap water flowing through old lead pipes is poisoning brains across generations. These aging pipes leach lead into your drinking water, boosting dementia risk by 30%. JAMA Neurology. And it's shocking how many homes still harbor this hidden danger. Install a high-quality water filter, use filtered pitchers, or switch to bottled water temporarily while you address the issue. David, a wise and determined 78-year-old, added a filter to his kitchen after noticing memory slips. His mind steadied, his worries eased, and he felt reassured about his health. When will you take control and test your water? Share your plan below, and let's ensure pure hydration. 9. Carpets with chemical treatments. New carpets treated with chemicals are a shock to me. They off-gas formaldehyde, causing a 15% cognitive slowdown and mental fatigue. Indoor air, and it's unbelievable how the fresh flooring you install can harm your brain. This is a risk that builds up over time in your living space. Air out new carpets for days before use, or choose natural, untreated fibers like wool or cotton to create a safer environment. Paul, a creative and thoughtful 73-year-old, replaced his chemical-treated carpet with wool. His mind felt clearer, his creativity flourished, and he enjoyed his space more. What's your carpet plan to protect your brain? Tell me below. 10. Mold in damp areas. Hidden mold thriving in basements, bathrooms, or behind walls releases mycotoxins. And I'm shocked and saddened that it's so often overlooked, linked to a 25% memory loss risk and neurological issues. Clinical toxicology. This silent, creeping growth is a brain thief that demands your attention. Dry out damp areas with dehumidifiers, improve ventilation, and address leaks promptly to eliminate this threat. Anna, an elegant and resilient 82-year-old, cleared mold from her basement after forgetfulness set in. Her focus returned, her energy renewed, and she felt a sense of control. Start this vital task today. Share your action plan below, and let's reclaim your mental sharpness. Conclusion. Amazing viewers, over 60, 70, or 80. I'm shocked and deeply moved that these household items are poisoning your brain. Stop the harm now, and take back your power. We've exposed the shocking science behind non-stick pans, air fresheners, mold, and more. Cheered James, Linda, and others on their inspiring journeys of recovery and resilience, and given you a wealth of practical tools to act with confidence and hope. Today, swap out toxic items with safe alternatives. Test your home for hidden dangers. Detoxify your living space with determination. And let your mind thrive with clarity, strength, and joy for years to come. Like, subscribe, and share below. We're a united, compassionate team dedicated to a brighter, healthier, and more vibrant future for all. You're stronger than these threats, wiser than you realize, and capable of incredible change. Rise up, protect your brain with every step, live fully with purpose and love, and inspire the world with your journey of resilience, wisdom, and unstoppable spirit that lights the way for others.